So when you log into Select Chatbot, you will see a list of all of the bots you've created. Now this is my account, that's why there's just so many bots, but when you log in for the first time there will be no bots. So all you would do is click on create a new bot, give it a name and press save. That's it. I already have a bot over here, baby blanket, let me open up. Now, this is a bot, this is how it should look when you open up first time. There are two things you must do. Please make sure you do these every time you create a new bot. First thing, you need to connect the bot to a Facebook page. So you go over here, say connect to Facebook page, click on that, and now here's a list of all of your Facebook pages. Now simply select your page, connect it, and you're good to go. Next thing to do is, bear in mind there are two messages, a welcome and a default message. These are forced by Amazon. Every bot has to have these as default already set up. So a welcome message is that every time someone messages your page over here for the first time, if they come to your page, not through an ad or anything, let's say they come to your page, message your page, they will receive this welcome message here. These types of messages are very rare, so don't worry too much about that. The next one's a default message. What this means is every single time a user replies to you in a conversation, they will get this message all the way over here. And I'm just showing you some text over here. What I recommend is this, rather turn it off, because when you're having a one-to-one conversation with your customer, every time they reply and give you some text answer or something like that, it will reply with this text over here or whatever you wanted to reply with. And unfortunately, it really kills the flow, so just turn it off. Don't worry too much about it for now. So that's it. Those two things, default message off, and connect to the Facebook page. Now you're good to go. So first thing you do is create a flow. So I'm going to call this flow 1, and I'm going to choose a template. Now here are all our pre-made templates, or if you want to start with a blank flow, and click save. There it is over here, flow 1, BF1. How this works is, the way Messenger works, or the way we've designed it, is that you have blocks. You have blocks over here. This is going to be BF2, and then BF3, and save, and that's it. So every flow is essentially filled with many blocks. So blocks make up a flow, and how a block works is, here is where you have your conversation. So let's say you send your customer some details about a deal. You're going to say, hey, do you want this deal? Every time a customer answers a question or inputs an answer, they will click on a button or a quick reply. So for example, let's click on a button over here, and during this deal they say yes, and when we click on yes, it will go to the next block, which will be BF2 or BF3. And maybe they say no, they will go then to BF3, or any block you want, or in any flow you want. So now that's pretty much done. And if you want to, go to BF1 over here, here we are, and let's say BF2 over here, so we'll go over here, this is going to be a good idea, and sorry, so you go, and there we go. Now let's go ahead and test that out. We click on test on Messenger. And here on the bottom of the screen you see baby blanket, that is my page, and it says over there, do you want this deal? I say yes, and it replies with a good idea. If I say no, it replies with So that's a very brief way of how to make a very quick chat flow. Now I recommend please go ahead and test all of these cards. The text card, what you can do is you can add tags. So for example, maybe everyone that clicks yes on that deal, you want to tag them as interested. And now you can go through your analytics page right over here, your analytics page, and you can then see all your subscribers and what they did in the flow according to their tags. Then along with that, let me just go to the image card. You can upload an image, or you can use a GIF. So maybe you want this GIF over here, select over there, or you want to search for it. I'm going to say, let's do this, sport, and search. There we go. That one over there, and select it, and done. Then if you want to, there's gallery card. This is just a gallery card. It's basically images that are moving horizontally. So you add a card over there, and so on and so forth. And then let's carry on. Then a quick reply. Quick replies are pretty much like buttons, but now they are questions like this, answers like this. We have two of you, and reply, I'm going to say no, and there will be BF3, and create. And there we go. Let me change that because it's bugging me. And there we go. So that's a quick reply button. It's very similar to this over here. The difference of quick reply is that once they select yes or no, let me show you over here. Look at my page over here. You can see the flow is now loading. Do you want to buy this? Do you want this deal? Yes or no? If they say the quick reply button is yes or no, if they say yes, take note that the no option disappears. Let me do that again. So you see where the option I pick, the other option disappears. Change over there because I pointed the card to the same starting point. That's why the issue over there. But let's carry on. So that's quick reply. Do this over here. Typing card. So maybe you want to delay. So now that the customer looks as if you are typing a message to them, you can do that over there. And let's carry on. Coupon card. This is where you upload your one-time use coupon codes for Amazon or for any other marketplace for that matter. Keyword is basically you upload a keyword list. This is the keyword list of all the keywords you want to rank for through search and buy methods. And then email, basically once they apply to this email, once they apply to this card over here, do you want the deal sent to you? Once they reply to this message over here, their email address will be auto-populated, their Facebook email address, the email address they use for Facebook. Then delay card, maybe you want this message to go out, maybe 5 hours later, and so on and so forth. And then next up is the wheel card and the share card. Now the wheel card is a bit more to explain, so I won't go over it now. This is just a quick demo. And then the share card, again, there's quite a bit to explain there. But otherwise, that's about it. You can get going right now, and please go ahead and test this stuff. Let us know in the Facebook group. Let us know in customer support. Just go over here and message us, and we're more than happy to help you out. Any questions, just let us know.